In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the language to English in Adobe Photoshop. This is a very common problem, especially if Photoshop was installed in another language and you're struggling to find tools, menus, or settings because everything looks different. The good news is that fixing this is actually very simple once you know where the language setting is controlled. In most cases, the language is managed through the Adobe Creative Cloud app, and after a quick change and reinstall, Photoshop will launch completely in English. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along easily. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right into it and fix your Photoshop language settings. First, we're going to use the official Adobe method, which is changing the language through the Creative Cloud desktop application. Start by opening the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. If you already use Photoshop, you should already have this installed because it's the app that manages Adobe software installations and updates. Once the Creative Cloud app opens, look at the top right corner of the window and click on your profile icon. This will open a small menu with several account options. From this menu, click on Preferences. Inside the Preferences window, look at the left sidebar and select Apps. This section controls installation settings for all Adobe applications. Now find the option labeled App Language. This is the key setting that determines what language newly installed Adobe apps will use. Click on the drop-down menu and select either English International or English North America. Most users choose English International because it works well with a wider range of fonts and plugins, but either option will give you a full English interface. After selecting English, click Done to save the setting. Now that the language is changed in Creative Cloud, the next step is reinstalling Photoshop so the new language can be applied. Don't worry, this process is very straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Go back to the Apps tab inside the Creative Cloud desktop application. In the list of installed programs, find Adobe Photoshop. Next to Photoshop, click the three dots menu or the Uninstall option depending on your version of Creative Cloud. Choose Uninstall and confirm the removal. This simply removes the program files and you can install it again immediately. Once Photoshop finishes uninstalling, stay in the App section and click Install next to Adobe Photoshop. Creative Cloud will now download and reinstall Photoshop using the language you selected earlier. When the installation finishes, open Photoshop again, and you should now see that the entire interface, menus, and tools are displayed in English. Now let's quickly talk about another method that may work in some Photoshop versions. Some newer releases include a language option directly inside the Photoshop settings. If your version supports this feature, you might be able to change the language without reinstalling the program. To check this, open Photoshop and go to the top menu. Click Edit, then scroll down and select Preferences, and then choose Interface. Inside the interface settings, look for an option called UI Language. If you see this dropdown, you can simply select English from the list and apply the change. After selecting English, restart Photoshop so the interface reloads with the new language. Keep in mind that this option is not available in every version of Photoshop, which is why the Creative Cloud method is still the most reliable solution for most users. Before we wrap up, here's one quick tip that can save you trouble later. Many Photoshop users prefer the English International Language option because some tutorials, plugins, and fonts are designed with that version in mind. Using the English interface also makes it much easier to follow online tutorials and guides, since most Photoshop training content uses English menu names. So if you regularly learn Photoshop from YouTube or online courses, switching to English can make your workflow much smoother. And that's it. That's how to change the language to English in Adobe Photoshop, using Adobe Creative Cloud or the built-in interface settings if your version supports it. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.